Paolo Benjamin Gico, vocalist of Ben and Ben, has officially tied the knot with his longtime girlfriend, Maria Rachel Arcila. The couple exchanged I do's on Thursday, January 15th, marking a new chapter in their years-long love story. Naganap ang pag-iisang dibdib ng couple sa Batangas na sinundan ng reception sa Tagaytay sa Cavite. Ilan sa mga selebreteng dumalo sila Dingdong Dantes at Marian Rivera, na tumayong ninong at ninang ng bagong kasal, Moira de la Torre, J.K. Labajo, Mimiu at ilan pa. Panoorin ang mga bidyong na ibahagi.
Ray, dito ka nga, Ray. Sa likod lang yun. Principal
Best of the
sponsors.
flowers, we should stick together.
We'd like to thank our sponsors, Paolo and Rachel. Thank you for the flowers, and the banana, and the
And the
orange,
steak.
and the food, and the drinks.
And the candles,
Yes.
and the tables and chairs.
And congratulations, Rachel and Pao.
Yeah!
Yan.
So thanks.
Cute, nakatingin siya. Ah,
Hindi ka rin sa akin.
Parang siya yung pagod ah.
Alam mo ba sa nagmana?
Ay, nakatitig din siya.
Kaya nga eh. Tapos tingin
Oh, yan. Steady. Ganda. Okay, ganda. Sige nga, tingin ko nga. Paano?
Hindi.
Longer ba?
Hey, congrats guys!
Ano ba yun? Kings pa din. Anong kanta yon?
Mundo.
Hindi, tingnan.
What a wonderful spring! Hakuna Matata, ain't no passing craze.
picked this for me because I'm more the introverted side with them. So please don't expect a Hakuna Matata performance from me. But please sing as loud as you can. Thank you very much. Congratulations, guys. I love you.
Nako sa ingay ng paligid, ikaw aking katahimikan. Ninindigan kita, mamahalin kita buo-buo.
Yung saying na, medyo type-ating kasi siya, di ba? Parang he's used to, parang, okay, I'm driven, may goal ako, by this time, kailangan na-achieve ko na siya, and ganyan-ganyan. So,
And then one of the secrets is giving and taking. It's a secret to relationships. So, Pao, you give and Rachel will take. But sometimes I will tell Rachel to do what to do.
It's really like the bigger the piece that you feed your husband, the more you love the person. So hindi pwedeng maliit here. Oo, kasi this is your first activity together, di ba? Go! Yeah! Okay! Medyo hindi ready si Rachel doon, di ba? Oo, di ba? Okay, now Rachel, it's your turn! Bawi! The bigger the slice, the more you love Pao. Go! Yes! Okay. Ano natin, Pao and Rach?
I just feel like I'm losing my baby. Just all the years I came to inside to myself. You found a way through the road. I heard to the path. You have to find.
Grabe itong night na to. Gusto ko muna tanongin, nag-enjoy ba kayo sa food? Yay! Ngayon, pagkatapos ito, we'll keep it short kasi magpa-party tayo